Stand by, Captain Blush.
Nekim maše, nekim, ko ti kaže fotoaparat pa ugaseno?
Ja ne, ti ste za slikati, da moraš slikati zdaj, veš, ko je Full HD. Captain Blush, the camera is on.
Okay.
And today,
Second flight today.
yeah, the first was the maiden flight.
With the Texan, which was successful,
Yeah,
and now
with the Tornado. We made the video of the maiden flight, which was the careful flight. And the second flight, what was with the with the 4500 battery, and the plane was too heavy. And now today we're gonna test the high speed
with original battery, which is how big?
the original battery, and we will see
How many milliamps?
2700.
2700.
Yes.
So 2700 milliamps.
We will test the sound.
Okay.
Jaz boš lahko zoomiral, če te bo rado.
Bo?
Da boš vedel, ja, se lepo zoomira, sem da boš ujel. Okay, Captain Blush, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready to do the flight. No, to film the flight. Warm up the engine
5.
from HobbyKing. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Are you trying to kill me? Oh my god! I can't follow the plane.
Do you see it, Captain Blush?
Hardly. You're flying too fast and too high. Скажи ти, що ми над главою, де п'яти лапу снігу там, на мою сторону лет, не? Де лапу снігу, кажи нам морем. Там я. А ти пригайте, все не можеш знімати. Решта може, решта може.
Captain Blush, very fast motherfucker, eh?
Yes.